You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this animal. I know a lot of people are confused and very often mispronounce the name of this bird. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations in English vocabulary, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you pronounced in British English as vulture. Yes, it's a ch sound like ch. Vulture. Vulture. Stress on the vowel syllable. Now, the American pronunciation is a little bit different as vulture. Vulture. So, American English, vulture, British English, vulture. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.